ready to dive into DeFi with confidence. This is your essential guide to safely navigating decentralized exchanges within your Safepal wallet. Decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, unlock a world of DeFi possibilities, allowing you to trade directly from your wallet without intermediaries, but with great power comes great responsibility. And understanding their security is paramount to protecting your hard-earned crypto. First, locate the DApps browser within your Safepal app. This is your gateway to a vast ecosystem of decentralized applications, including many of the top DEXs. Once you're in the DApps browser, you'll see a selection of popular DEXs. You can tap on one to access its interface directly within Safepal. Think of it as having a secure portal to your favorite trading platforms. Before you can trade, you'll need to connect your Safepal wallet. The DEX will prompt you to allow access. Always review the permissions requested carefully. Safepal's built-in connection ensures your private keys remain securely on your device. Now, for the trading itself, most DEXs offer a swap feature. Select the tokens you wish to trade, input the amount, and approve the transaction within Safepal. Remember, you're trading directly peer-to-peer, with the DEX acting as the facilitator. Crucially, always be aware of the smart contracts underpinning these DEXs, while Safepal provides a secure interface. The actual smart contracts are on the blockchain. Do your own research into the reputation and audits of the DEX you're using. Security considerations are vital in DeFi. Be wary of unusually high yields, unfamiliar tokens, or projects with anonymous teams. These can be indicators of potential scams or rug pulls. When you initiate a trade, Safepal will clearly display the transaction details, including estimated gas fees. Always ensure you have sufficient crypto in your wallet to cover these fees before confirming. By following these steps and prioritizing your security, you can confidently explore the exciting world of decentralized finance with Safepal. Stay informed, stay safe, and happy trading.